Hi, Chris Schenk with Case IH here today to talk about the 2160 track steering operation when we're making a turn on the road. To access steering on the display, we're going to go into the frame area, we're going to go to steering, we're going to press OK. We can go and activate manual when we're below 9 miles an hour, as in making that turn very slowly out of our driveway, our field entrance. As we approach our field driveway, we're going to stay under 9 miles an hour, have manual activated. And now, since we're going to make a left-hand turn, we're going to push the tracks, the front of them, to the right in order for the planter to swing around and make the turn. After we get straight in our driveway, we can start bringing the tracks back to center. And when we get to center, we can shut them off. And it'll tell us if we're not completely centered. At that point, we can go and engage the remote and tell it to reset the tracks, and it will automatically bring them back to center. After that, we can exit the menu. We can return our planter frame to off, fold, unfold, anywhere we need to go. For more information on the track steering system operation, please see your operator's manual or your local Case IH dealer.